sa ating paralumal, kiming palagit mapagbigay. Ngunit iba ang waray-waray, walang sindak kanino man. Waray-waray, siyete tatakas. Waray-waray, handang matodas. Waray-waray, bahala bukas. Waray-waray, 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 manigas! Ayaw ko pag-unahi.
Oh, there is a spot for choreography here.
Oh, yeah. I think all of them will.
No, but then there is one portion she has to dance.
Well, that can be shortened direct
No,
from 8 to
but
4.
that's nice eh.
Okay.
Because it's a nice contrast, right? Then she goes into that mellow thing eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo anak, hindi ko alam kung ano pinaplano ni Maribeth dyan. Hindi pa sila kinochoreograph.
Siguro today. Ay, hindi. Walang dance.
Gagawa daw kami ng choreo. Opo.
Opo.
Okay, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, no, ganito. With you kasi, that's a solo song, but you need a lot, anak eh. You need yung gap. Hindi ba may gap? Dapat mag-swing. Pero tama yung sa una, na, yung ganyan, tapos papasok yung lalaki, then mag-swing kayo, tapos biglang itutulak mo yung palayo, tapos yung It's full choreo yung kanya. Diyos ko. So, ganun. I-had the start, parang big, papapasok na, dance kayo. Kailangan lang coordinated sa backup, may tagakuha ng mic niya, may taga-abot. Tapos, hiwalay, tapos ang huli kasi waray-waray yung manigas, kaya tinutulak mo lahat yung lalaki. Eh, kasi the whole idea is palabang ang babae. Tingnan natin. I'll try to see this on Saturday morning ha, para pag-ayos natin. But that's very nice.
Thank you
Very,
po.
very nice.
Thank you, Sir Monet.
All right.
Okay? That's very, very nice.